We are one of the entertainment hosts. We're gonna go around the ship. All right, so we're gonna start with this menu. This is the Crow's Nest Bar, one of the busiest bar. It's open for everyone. And then in the evening, you can actually come right here. We have a receptionist right up there if you would like to book it. So you can see the menu from that television right over there. Middle section is for everyone, but this one is for adults only. Right here is the retreat. It's actually some oh god, sorry, we just came from dry dock and I was like everything is like 7 a.m. until 6 p.m. So most of the time, most of the guests that came from outside, if they're hungry, that's the place that they always go. And next to it, on the other end, is pizza also. So it's free also. So you're more than welcome to get whatever, how many times you want to go right there. It's free. So. Every 30 minutes. So if you wanna lose that calories, the gym is open from 7 o'clock until 10 o'clock in the evening also. And right when we exit right over there, you will see there's a small table right over there with a sheets of paper. It's saying like if you wanna enroll or you wanna go to a Pilates or during morning or afternoon, you can see most of the guests are walking around with like this backpack right now. Yeah. So most of the time in the morning and the afternoon, people are walking around. This is actually our walking area. You can jog also if you would like to. So if you have 7 laps, that's 1 mile equivalent. So if you don't want to go to the gym, if you want to lose a little bit of weight, or if you want to warm yourself up, you're more than welcome to go around. Most of the people are doing that, just walking around while talking or enjoying the view of the ports that we're going. So. middle all the way to the back. So you have to access deck 7 all the way to the back and then 1 down again. So that's the Oriental restaurant right there. Oriental restaurant is actually if you have arranged dining time, right? Alright, everybody, this is Tour Restaurant, also one of our exclusive restaurants on board, and you have to pay for that one. The menus are outside right there by the television. If you would like to book it also, you're more than welcome to use your My Holiday app. Or in the evening, if there's an available one, there's a receptionist right over there. At the end of your course, there's an entertainment. Tonight, this cruise we have Le Bois. He is one of the famous drag queens. He performed right here, and then there's a 35-pound charge for this restaurant. You can see the menu right over there. Yeah, so this starts at 7 o'clock until 10 o'clock in the evening. If you'd like to book in, we have the receptionist right over there.
Here, we offer any kind of treatment, which is a massage, facial, nails, hair, body concern, which is if you want to lose weight, so we can work out for you also. And also we have our pain management doctor, which is Dr. Chen. We have our facial rejuvenation doctor as well.
This is the Headliners Theater. You can enter here. It's either deck 6 or deck 7. So, this is the end of our tour. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Don't get angry if you get lost. Oh, I've seen this one. Phil already talked about this one, and I forgot which one. So in case you get lost, make sure that ask one of the staff or anyone that's wearing name badge. It means that they are working on the ship and they know the place anywhere. All right. Any questions? Please feel free to let me know. And then I'm more than welcome to ask you, or if it's like a question that I couldn't answer, I'm gonna send you down to reception. Enjoy the rest of your afternoon. Did you enjoy your tour?
Yes.
Yeah, thank you very much. My name is Phil. We have Madeline right over there. Any questions? I'll be staying here for 5 minutes. Enjoy the rest of your afternoon, everybody. Thank you.
Thank you.